All right. Welcome to the Learning House. This is our studio. I'm Corey Dean.
And I'm Louise House. And we're here today to tell you a little bit about the Learning House and what we can do to help you in your homeschool journey.
So let's take a look around the store. We're going to move out of the studio.
So we're just heading out so that you can see a little bit of the store that we have here. And this is a far cry from where we started 27 years ago with two products. And now we have thousands and thousands to help homeschool families.
Right. So let's take a look around. There's resources on every subject. We have many staff here that are working to fill orders and to care for you as we both invest in families with resources, but we also do a lot of other things like free consultations.
Yeah, we'd love to help you figure out what you might need for your family. So if you need a free consult, we do that many, many times a day, and it gives us great joy.
Okay. So if you want to take a look around, this is our shipping and receiving area. Here. We'll take you up and down a couple of rows with some of our favorite products. So what are some of our most important things, or where should we start, Louise?
Yeah, so over here we've got science kits, and families just love to have something like this when they're doing science. So you might say, why would I want one of those boxes? But this is full of science materials to help you teach a science course. So like Apologia or Life Pack. And you have everything you need to do every lab. If we look over here, we can look at some of our favorite math programs, and we have so many great programs to choose from. One of the favorites among our homeschool families would be Singapore, and we have Singapore Math, 3 different versions, so you can find the right fit for your family. And but that's not all. We've got Saxon and BJU and Life Pack, and so it's like finding shoes. We can help you find the right fit.
And math and language arts are obviously the anchor and the core of what most home educators are looking for. So we have several other rows of math and language arts things that we can show you as just the start of what we do to care for families here. So show us some other popular things here, Louise.
So today we want to just, highlight, we know a lot of homeschool families struggle with writing, and Essentials in Writing has a short video to help you do your writing teaching. And we just know that this has been so helpful to many of our families. Other people don't want to do video learning, and they prefer to teach it themselves. And something like BJU Press, English is just amazing for teaching writing and grammar skills. That's not all. I mean, if we just look over to the other side here,
we got some of my favorites.
Yeah, we've got some
of the Charlotte Mason style things. We have all of the titles from Simply Charlotte Mason, and some beautiful scriptural things like A Reason for Handwriting, A Reason for Spelling, all kinds of titles that will suit your homeschooling needs and your style.
Yeah, so there's something for everybody. And we know that homeschool moms need some encouragement. So we have over here, we have some great just books on raising kids and planning and financial literacy, just sorts of things to help you build your family. And, we're really committed to helping you incorporate scriptural values and scripture into your family. And so, we have a wonderful Bible section where you can just find the resource that you need, whether you want to do a book study or whether you just want to do some good devotions with your children and your family, or whether you want to just read some nice Bible stories with your little ones.
And before we get into all of our science, geography, history, we have to say, too, that we have a ton of really fun science kits. Besides our stuff that is geared towards specific curriculum, we just have a lot of stuff that is really fun to get hands on. Now let's take a look at socials and science and electives. We have all kinds of options here as well.
And we're Canadian, and we want to be able to be proud of our heritage. And so we have fantastic resources for teaching Canadian content, Canadian geography. We love Donna Ward's products, both Courage and Conquest and Geography Province by Province. We have many others.
I loved these.
Yeah.
These books from Mr. Quinn, who brings us all kinds of Apple Press books of Canada and world map books and various other resources. There's just so many to look at.
Yeah, and then if you want to do world history, we have all your favorites from mystery to history to story of the world. But one of our real favorites here for children 5 to 8, grades 5 to 8, is From Adam to Us. Mm-hmm. Just a phenomenal study. Yeah. So many great choices for your family. Right. And then just heading down here, Science Land. Science Land is such a happy place. And one of my absolute favorites from Dr. J. Weil, an author that many of you will know, is Science in the Beginning. And it walks you through the different science associated with the different days of creation. Mm-hmm. We also have all of Apologia's products, and we know that they're homeschool favorites, and many people love to use their journals as they're homeschooling their family.
Okay, let's look at some of the fun stuff before we have to sign off. Mm-hmm. Okay. I know that homeschoolers love bargains. We love books, so we've got thousands of library building titles, the novels that that we know that you really want to have your kids have their hands on. But we also have great deals.
And the bargain bin is full. It's been fun shopping.
Louise loves shopping for the bargain bin.
I do, and we know that you love a bargain. And maybe just a little random thing to end with is just, this is a product that has become really loved by homeschool families, all about reading, and then we also have all about spelling, but we sell a lot of that, don't we, Corey?
Yes, it really is a great baseline for many families to start with.
Yeah.
It really serves many families. We have kids with special needs and kids that are learning at a regular pace. It's been very helpful for so many families. A lot of good.
And I think that's it for today.
I think it is. This has just been a really quick look through. Just before we go, I want to introduce you quickly to our customer service reps, because we have a fabulous team of people who are ready to talk to you on the phone, who are ready to hear from you by email, and who are ready to receive your orders on the web. Our customer service agents will do all they can to make sure that you get the resources you need, and to refer you to Louise or myself if you need any specific, to talk specifically through any resources. So these guys are here to help you. They're fabulous. They've been so tremendously helpful to me as we've settled in here at our new location and to so many families. So we look forward to hearing from you. You can give us a call, you can email us, and you can find us on the web at learninghouse.ca. Thanks.